Hi everyone, Carol here with Everspruce. Today we are excited to announce the new multi-user feature on the Everspruce Home Inventory app. I think it was the most highly requested feature by our users, so I'm so happy to say it's available to all users today. The multi-user feature, you can add up to 3 additional users to your subscription at no additional cost. Next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add new users to your account. Step 1. You want to open the Everspruce Home Inventory app and go to Settings. Step 2, you want to go to Manage Users and click on that, and then this is where you'll be able to see all the users you have assigned in your account. Step 3, you want to check to make sure you have admin access level. So go ahead and click on your email address, and then you should see what access level you are at, and it should say admin under your email address, and this will ensure that you have the capability to add new users. Step 4, you are ready to add a new user. So go ahead and click on the Add User button now that you have verified you are the admin on this account and are able to add new users. Step 5, go ahead and enter the new user's email address in the field provided. 6, go ahead and enter the new user's name. One thing to note, if you are the admin on an account and you want to assign admin access to another user, you will be giving up your access as the admin. Only one user can be the admin on an account. Step 7, you will give the new users its access level. You can choose between admin, editor, or viewer. Step 8 is super easy. Just click save, and now you have a new helper to help you get organized. After you've clicked save and added the new user to your account, you will get a pop-up alert, and the pop-up alert will ask you if you want the new user to get a message to download the Everspruce Home Inventory app. And then you just click yes or no. You click yes, Everspruce will send the new user a message, and it'll look like this. The new user will need to go ahead and download the Everspruce Home Inventory app and create an account. So the new user will need to use the email address you provided when you added the new user to your account, and the new user will just need to create a password for his or her account, and he or she will be all set. Now that you know how to add new users and manage them, let's talk about zones. It's just a brief note that I want to make sure you do before you add any new users. So if you go back to settings and you're going to see the header zone, as in my example here, you're going to see that you can manage your zone. And so I want you to click on zone and click on options and then click manage, and then it should be defaulted if you haven't named it already to default zone. So go ahead and name it. In my example, I named my London house. So you want to give it a name so when you add a user, they know what zone you are adding them to. You can learn more about zones and why that feature is available in Everspruce by going to everspruceapp.com and going to our blog post that discuss zones. Most users will only have one zone, so you really don't need to worry about this feature, but it's more for professionals who will have multiple zones and requested this feature. So if you want to learn more about zones, go ahead and read the blog post, but most users have one home and just will have one zone and just will need to name one zone in their account. Remember, you can add up to 3 users per subscription for free. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with your new helpers. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and we would really appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy content like this.